Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is the collaboration video for Smash Those Small Pads. I do cards and journals and all kinds of stuff on my channel, and I like the collaborations because they challenge me to stay on task and get stuff done. This is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and Stampin' Cat on Instagram, and I'll link to them down below. Funny thing happened. I started this batch of cards at 6:30 last night, and it's 8:30 in the morning. Happy Memorial Day to those of you in the US, and thank you so much to those that served and took care of our country. Anyway, I started these at 6:30 last night. Then I worked on them for 2 hours. Then I goofed off, and when I went to bed, I saw a message from my friends that said this collaboration was on the 30th, and I was thinking it was the last day of the month, so I had another day. So here we are. Let me show you what I got done. I have 25 completed cards, except for scraps inside. That's just a nitpicky little thing that I like to do. So I will go through my scrap jar and whatever and glue something in. And then I have 10 right here that they just need card bases. I didn't have enough card bases made. So I'm going to walk you through them, and we'll go pretty quick because there's so many. My embellishments are enamel dots, those glitter ones that are from Dollar Tree. I haven't used those before. I hope they stick okay. For these cards, if you haven't been following along, I'm trying to make about, the number keeps going up, it's probably close to 80 cards for school office staff. I stamp on the envelopes and handwrite each one. I don't know if I stamp on them, but I do handwrite each one. And this is something to note. These embellishments, some of these were like puffy embellishments, and some of them were enamel dots. I really like the enamel dots because they add some shine. The other ones don't stand out as much. So just something to think about if you're looking for interest in your cards. Anyway, so I need a lot of cards, and I need them all to go out at the same time. So just a giant batch. In this, I'm using, today you're seeing almost all of Back to School from Echo Park, 48 sheets. Now, did I smash it completely? No. I have these pieces left. This is the only whole piece that I have. And then a whole jar of scraps. And if you have done a collection, you know that having that many scraps, I still have more work to do. I'm not halfway. As far as quantity, amazing, right? But it takes a long time to use up those scraps. So I was mostly using that. And then I also had some scraps left from last month from I Love School. Some miscellaneous embellishments and some tiny things that I had set aside because I had ephemera too. These said school days are here again. Anything that said back to school, I didn't want it to say that. So I went over these. You'll see that in the process video. The scissors came to me in Happy Mail from Susie a long time ago. And I was looking for enamel dots and went, hey, scissors, that would be good for school cards. For reasons I can't explain, I couldn't find yellow enamel dots. I don't know if I donated or gave them away because I thought, I don't really like yellow. This one, I used 2 different blues. It upsets me, but I'll live. I was looking for like sort of a Disney collection of enamel dots, and I couldn't find any. But I think I did okay. I found a lot of red, some blues that worked, some tealy, and I'm not a giant green fan, but there's a lot of green in these papers, so I did use it. And this is a strip of paper from the other pad, just mixing and matching. And then if you're not familiar with these cards, this ongoing project, on the inside it says you are our hero, and one person can make such a difference, and that person is you on the back. So that's part of why I need to make more card bases, because these are special ones, not just my regular crafting and relaxing ones. Check out what my friends did. I can assure you they started before I did. Less than 24 hours, and I went to bed at 11, slept a good long night, 35 cards. So I hope you enjoyed that. It will be an interesting process video to see, and for you to see that you can have a life and still make a giant batch of cards to donate, or to care for a retirement center, or to send to a community in need. You can still have a life and spread joy. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Bourbon Creek Crafts and Stampin' Cat. The links are down below in the description. Bye-bye.